Rule number 1. Start slow. Replace milk tea with black tea. Tea with sugar by tea without sugar. If you eat 3 meals a day, first skip breakfast, then dinner. And do this in a matter of couple of weeks. Rule number 2. Stay hydrated. You need to ensure that you drink enough water all the time to prevent gastric attacks and to curb down some of that hunger. Rule number 3. Don't eat unhealthy. Don't eat junk and unhealthy foods just because you're eating one time a day. You need to eat food that gives you nutrients and energy. Rule number 4. Give yourself a treat. Although contrary to number 3, you should treat yourself once in a month to ensure that you don't burn out while doing OMAD. Rule number 5. Keep yourself busy. The more you stay busy, the more you don't think about food. The more you are free and at home, the more trips you take to the fridge. So make sure you occupy yourself all the time. Number 6. Avoid the smell from kitchen. It's easier to not be hungry when you don't smell the aromas of the kitchen. Make sure you lock your door when your family is cooking or eating food. Rule number 7. Learn to say no. Even if your grandma is baking for you or your colleagues offer you brunch, you need to learn to say no if it is not within your time frame of eating. Stop worrying about hurting someone's feelings.